Just got a new infrared thermometer for my family, and I'm actually really impressed with this one. It comes with the batteries, so that's awesome. Super easy to put those in, and then you just hit the M button. That's gonna turn it on, and then you have multiple ways to scan. So you can scan your head, your forehead. It's a 1 second reading. Green light means I'm normal. That's awesome. You can do the ears. You just pull that off right there, and then you'll see a little ear icon. And then just pop it in, hit scan, and then you'll get your reading right there. And then you can also scan the temperature of the room, which I think is really cool. It auto shuts off after a few seconds of being inactive. If you hold this down for 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3, when it turns on, you'll have a little house icon, and then you can scan the room. So our room is at 70 degrees right now. Not too bad. I am turning it into lights. So when I hit it towards my studio lights, it went to 72 degrees. Let's see what it is down here. And lower, 68.1. Studio lights make a big difference, don't they? So I think that's cool that you can use it around your house as well as your forehead, your ears. This is great if you have little kids, especially when they're not feeling well. The last thing they want to do is put a thermometer under their tongue for like a minute. This is a 1 second reading, and these are really accurate and amazing. Highly recommend you have at least one of these in your house.